The wait is finally over. Samsung's next A-series stars are stepping into the spotlight. Samsung is preparing to launch its new Galaxy A lineup, including the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 in the coming months. We've already seen multiple leaks and rumors pointing to their specs and features, making it clear that the launch is getting closer. Now, fresh renders of the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 have appeared online, giving us an early look at their design along with a few key details. These new visuals come from Hong Kong-based case maker Dux Ducis, which has listed protective cases for both phones on its website. The case listings revealed the overall design language of the upcoming devices. Based on the images, both the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 feature a new pill-shaped camera design. The camera sensors are stacked vertically inside a raised camera block, while the LED flash sits outside the camera area on the rear panel. This camera styling looks similar to what Samsung has recently used on some of its premium models. The camera bump also appears slightly larger than before, which could indicate that Samsung is upgrading the camera hardware this time. From the front, the phones look familiar and closely resemble previous Galaxy A models. However, the display bezels seem slimmer, giving the devices a cleaner and more modern look. Earlier leaks also revealed that both phones have already appeared on certification platforms, which typically happen shortly before an official launch. Reports suggest that the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 may come equipped with an improved 50-megapixel main camera. These devices are expected to launch after the Galaxy S26 series. As we move closer to the official announcement, more details should continue to surface. So this is our first solid look at Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. What do you think about the new design? A real upgrade or just a safe evolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. If you're keeping an eye on Samsung's mid-range phones, this one's for you. New leaks are giving us an early look at the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57, and it sounds like Samsung is planning some pretty solid camera upgrades when these phones arrive, likely in early 2026. According to a report from SmartPrix, both phones will stick with a familiar triple camera set, but the sensors themselves are getting a refresh, and that could make a real difference in photo quality. Let's start with the Galaxy A37. It's expected to feature a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main camera, paired with an 8-megapixel Galaxy Core ultrawide and a 5-megapixel Galaxy Core macro sensor. On the front, Samsung may switch things up with a 12-megapixel Galaxy Core selfie camera. So while the layout looks similar to the A36, the hardware underneath is clearly being upgraded. Now moving on to the Galaxy A57, and this one's especially interesting. The main camera is also tipped to be a 50-megapixel IMX906, but the ultrawide jumps to a 13-megapixel Samsung ISO-CELL sensor, one that was first used in a Xiaomi phone several years ago. The macro camera stays at 5-megapixel, and for selfies, Samsung is likely sticking with a 12-megapixel ISO-CELL front camera, similar to what we've seen before. One important detail here is that Samsung may split camera suppliers by region. That means some markets could get a Sony IMX sensor, while others end up with a Samsung ISO-CELL main camera in both the A37 and A57. Why does that matter? Well, the Sony IMX906 is physically larger than the IMX882 used in some earlier models. A bigger sensor can capture more light, which usually means better colors, improved low-light shots, and overall sharper photos. So if these leaks hold up, the Galaxy A37 and A57 could deliver some of the best cameras we've seen in Samsung's A-series so far, without pushing into flagship pricing. What do you think about these camera upgrades? Would they make you consider an A-series phone next year? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more early leaks and Samsung updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.